Come on down to the Farm Animal Adventure. We're gonna learn the names and sounds.
Cow. Cows have best friends. They like to stay close to their favorite cow friends and can feel sad when they are apart. Pig. Pigs are very smart animals. They can learn tricks, play games, and even remember things just like dogs. Chicken. Chickens can talk to their chicks before they hatch. The mother hen makes soft sounds, and the baby chicks chirp back from inside the egg. Ducks. Ducks have waterproof feathers. They spread special oil on their feathers to stay dry-in when they swim. Goose. Geese are great guard animals. They are very loud and will honk to warn others if a stranger comes near. Sheep. Sheep have great memories. They can remember faces of other sheep and even people. Horse. Horses can run soon after they are born. Baby horses called foals can stand up and start running just a few hours after being born. Donkey. Donkeys have super strong memories. They can remember places and other donkeys for many years even after a long time apart. Goose. Chickens can see more colors than humans. They can even see ultraviolet light, which we can't see at all. Rabbit. Rabbits have teeth that never stop growing. That's why they love to chew on things. It helps keep their teeth the right size.
Welcome to Farm Animals Adventure. Let's meet our animal friends and learn their names and sounds.
Do not forget to subscribe and follow for more.